In this video, we'll look at how to work with image sheets in Corona SDK. Corona fully supports image sheets, sometimes referred to as sprite sheets or texture atlases. This allows you to load multiple images or frames from a single, larger image file. Image sheets can be used for both static images and animated sprites. In mobile app design, where devices have limited texture memory, it's often essential to conserve memory by using image sheets. In most cases, it's more efficient to consolidate several images into one larger sheet and load a particular image from the sheet when you want to display it on the screen. Corona offers this functionality via image sheets. Image sheets are a convenience feature. Using popular third-party tools like Texture Packer, you can design your images individually and then instruct the application to consolidate several files into one optimized image sheet. For a more detailed explanation of the memory benefits of image sheets, refer to the Performance and Optimization Guide on the Corona Labs website. To create a new image sheet, you'll need to supply the name of the file and a table of options which tells Corona about the images contained in the overall sheet. Depending on your needs, these options can be in a simple format or complex format. If you're using a texture packing utility, this task will typically be handled for you. Initializing the image sheet is done with the graphics.newImageSheet function. This function can take three parameters. File name is the name of the image file that includes all the frames of the image sheet. Base.dir specifies the base directory where file name is located. Options is a table of keys and or subtables that represents specific options related to the image sheet. Let's look at how to define simple options. This configuration assumes that all frames in the image sheet share identical size properties, width and height. The more complex configuration is required if the image sheet has frames of varying sizes. In this configuration, options consist of an array of tables within a parent frames table. Each table in the array represents a single frame in the image sheet. For each frame, you must specify the X and Y start, upper left corner, along with the width and height of the frame. Taken together, these four parameters encompass the rectangular bounds of the frame. Just like individual images displayed with display.newImageRect, image sheets may be selected dynamically depending on the screen resolution. To accomplish this, you must specify the sheet content width and sheet content height. These values tell Corona the size of the original 1x image sheet. For example, if you're developing for both iPad and iPad Retina, and you're using an image sheet of 1000 by 1000 for the regular iPad, you should specify 1000 for both of the values and then design your Retina image sheet at 2000 by 2000. For details on dynamic scaling and dynamic image selection, which applies to image sheets too, please watch the dynamic image scaling video in the Corona University Library or refer to the project configuration guide on the Corona Labs website. To display an image or frame from an image sheet, you use the existing display APIs, but this time you'll specify the sheet and frame number instead of just the image name. If you require dynamically selected images, use display.newImageRect and specify the width and height as usual. And that's a look at how to work with image sheets in Corona SDK. Learn more about working with Corona SDK at www.coronalabs.com/university.